Ply is a no-code platform that lets you add features to the apps you use fast and without code. I'm going to show you 3 examples of features I've added to one of our newest integrations, LinkedIn. The first feature that I added is a button that appears on people's search results, and when I click on it, it adds information on that search result to a spreadsheet that I keep in Google Sheets, like their name, a link to their profile, their title, and their location. Keep in mind that I'm storing information in Google Sheets, but you could also set up this feature so that the information gets stored in a CRM, like HubSpot or Salesforce. Ply also lets you add features to user profiles, so I added the same feature here. When I click on this button, a person's information gets added to my spreadsheet, like this. The third and final feature I've added is in the LinkedIn Messenger. It's this button here, and it composes different sales pitches depending on the title of the person I'm talking to. When I'm talking to a designer, it composes a sales pitch about a course that's directed at designers. On the other hand, when I'm talking to a developer, the button composes a sales pitch for a course that's directed at developers, like this. Adding features like this to your LinkedIn is simple. Just have your LinkedIn open, then click on Ply's Chrome extension, and then create new module. Then choose the context for your module. The context is the part of LinkedIn that you're adding a feature to, and it determines where you'll see the button that triggers your feature, and also what data from LinkedIn your feature will be able to use. I chose to add a feature to the search result context, and when I created my button, I gave it an icon that relates to Google Sheets. This one. Afterwards, I set up my feature's flow, which is its functionality. A flow is a series of steps that happen one after another whenever you click on your button, and steps come in 3 types. There are interface steps that show you an interface that appears right in LinkedIn where you can enter data or see data. There are integration steps where the feature performs an action in one of the apps that Ply integrates with, and helper steps that manipulate data in some way. In my published feature, the flow looks like this. It has 2 steps. The first is a helper step that cleans up the URL to the profile from the search result, removing some redundant material from the end. And the second is an integration step that adds data on the current search result to my LinkedIn spreadsheet. If you're interested in adding features like these to your LinkedIn, please get in touch with us to book a demo. Thanks.